Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have another review video. We're gonna compare this one to this one. This beauty I've been sitting there in every single video. You can see this is a classic Flap Mini. I believe I purchased in 2016 and this red not the same as the camera reflect as I can see. A little bit different. On the camera it's a little bit better. A little bit better or a little bit beautiful than its real red. This red is not 100% reflected at the camera. A lot of people say this is like burgundy color or very true red. This is not a burgundy, this is not a true red. It's also the cow skin, and this is not a caviar leather. And this is they call is a distress leather, like some part of the color is lighter, you know, it's not very even red color as you can see. I don't really know if you can tell. It's not like a wear and tear, it's just the color it is itself. So this is the classic Flap. I used to have two mini classic Flap. When I do the unbox, I already said I sold the black with gold hardware mini, rectangle mini, and also the black square caviar leather with gold hardware. Both already out of my collection. The reason is I don't really like the strap, because this strap is a long strap, and I feel like this bag is not quite fit my lifestyle, so that's why I sold those two black. I only have one just left in my collection because this is the only red in my collection, so I want to keep it there. So still have this mini rectangle in my collection, so that's also the reason I purchased the one that the reissue, which is I love the style, I love the chin, and I love the length I can wear as a shoulder bag, because I'm more like a shoulder bag person. So today we will deep compare those two. This is the classic rectangle to mini reissue. You will see both handbag, how much they can be fit, and also I will put it on the table side by side. You can see visual see the size. Actually they almost exact same, and plus I will do the model shot so you can see the style, both style, how it fit to my frame. On the next video I will do comparison, this one compared to the mini Coco handle. The reason I do the comparison because they are almost these three handbag with the mini Coco handle. These three handbags are almost in the same price range. It really depends on you which one to go. I already have a comparison video to compare the regular Flap versus the Coco handle. I will link the video below and you can take a look. So I will add the video. So next video we'll compare the reissue to Coco handle size mini, so you will have an idea. For that we're gonna do a size comparison, as you can see, and this they are almost the same. It seems like a reissue is a little bit taller, but the size wise, you know, it's very close. Now I don't know if I'm correct. So according to the size dimension, this one is from here to here is 8 inch, from here to here is 5 inch, and the deep is 2 inch. And the reissue from here to here is 7.9 inch, from here to here is 5.7 inch, and the deep is 3 inch. So slightly different. I just briefly to tell you the feature of this one. This is the cow skin leather with the gold hardware. As you can see, it's a shining gold, and the back has the pocket as usual, and the inside just one compartment, and the back have the back pocket and have a zipper pocket. This one is made in France. I think the reissue all made in France. I'm not so sure. Don't call me. No. So this one, the leather is very soft, so I assuming this one can fit more than classic flap, so you will see what can be fit. And this one is the classic flap. Its feature is cow skin with the gunmetal hardware. Back has a pocket. Inside is a one compartment. Same feature, has one pocket, in another zipper pocket. When I use mini, I always use the O case. That always go together because the O case, you can see it's very flat, so it's not gonna occupy a lot of room for the mini. Inside, I have total 9 credit cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total is 9 credit card. Normally I don't carry that much. Maximum is 2. But for this video, I just wanted to show you. I put the house key also inside the O case. Also the little bit of dollar bill. So this is everything here. I will put it into the bag so you can see. Now today I use a red so you can see clearly. Next thing I put it is my cell phone. This is a 7 Plus. Fit really nicely. You can see I still have a room there. I will carry the coin purse, which I have a coin. I'm gonna bring the sunglasses, so I will show you. This is the Tom Ford sunglasses. I use a soft case. Like that, as you can see. So I change the position, the coin purse in the middle. Let's see if I can close. So I actually can close without any problem, as you can see. So I'm gonna open this. You can see the telephone, coin purse, O case, and my sunglasses. So I'm gonna close this. Here I noticed that if you don't want to use the coin purse, you actually can use a key clay, Louis Vuitton key clay. So I use key clay instead. Also can fit like that. As you can see from this is the sunglasses, O case, key clay, and the cell phone. And close like that. So as you can see, this is how much this bag can be fit. So we're gonna transfer everything to the classic flap. See if also same thing, same amount of stuff can be fit. Oh, actually I have the lipstick. Let's see, and the lipstick, one lipstick, nicely closed without a problem. Doesn't out of shape, everything put it together. So now we're gonna transfer everything to this one. Here is my cell phone, O case, key clay, and the lipstick. I may have a problem to put it in my sunglasses, but we're gonna try. This is how much you can see right now. It's already there. I may need to work out a little bit, but still going really well, as you can see. I actually force my sunglasses in. Hopefully my sunglasses are not broken. So it's almost the same, but because the leather different, this is more stiff. I have a little bit of trouble to put everything that I put into the reissue. But if you can make a O case less car, and I think it should be able to fit. So today when I was prepared to upload this video, I realized maybe I should really give you one more sample that how much thing I can fit to minis, so in case you don't want to put the sunglasses, so I'm gonna show you what did I put inside without the sunglasses, so you can take a look. So here is the everything. I hope the lighting is gonna well, so I will take it out anyway. Same thing is the OKs, my 7 Plus cell phone, pocket organizer, and another key clay just for the coin, and the one lipstick. So that's what I been putting there. So I'm very quickly to show you. This is the OKs, this is the key clay, pocket organizer, and my cell phone. As you can see, this is the key clay, cell phone, OKs, and the pocket organizer here. On the corner, this side still have a lot of room, so you definitely can put a 1 or 2 lipstick. So let me just put it 1 lipstick, and I can close easily. For that much stuff I can into this mini. So this is what the mini reissue can put it. Then I take out everything, put it into my red classic mini, so you can see if I can hold it. This is in case you don't want to bring the sunglasses with you. Same thing, I will put the OKs, cell phone 7 Plus, and the pocket organizer, and the key clay. As you can see, almost the similar. See here, it has a lot of room left. So also I just put 1 lipstick. You know, this lipstick, Dior lipstick shape is a little bulky, so I also can close a little bit, but I wouldn't say I'm struggling. I'm still able to put it, so it doesn't matter which way I do. Overall, I feel they almost the same capacity for both two handbags. This one is a little bit stiff, but the reissue is a little bit soft, so it's because of the leather difference. So they are almost the same. So I will give you the screenshot what I have here, so you have a second sample, and you can take a look. You can really put all the essentials, because here you have a 9 credit card plus cash plus the home key, and then here you actually can use as a wallet as well. Like I have some dollar, I just find it, and here you have some coins. So then you have a lipstick, and then you have a cell phone. Everything's there, right? Overall, I think they both bags have the same capacity. So now for the length of the chain, and I think the classic mini is a little bit longer than the reissue. So last part I will do the model shot so you can take a look. For your reference, I'm 5 and 2, so you will see how it both goes to my body. I also will show you both of them, put it on the table. You can see side by side, and I also give you a screenshot how much both can be fit, so you will have a full idea, and you can make a decision which one to go. So here is what can be fit in both mini handbag. So cell phone, case, sunglasses, coin purse, and lipstick. So this is the second way you can put it. I will put them together so you can take a look. Okay. It's the same thing. You have an old case, you have the cell phone, pocket organizer, and the key clip plus lipstick. Okay. Hope this video really helped you, and that's it. That's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy and have a wonderful day.